What's up? It's Sydney. Good afternoon, everyone. I haven't done one of these videos in a while, but I feel like my style has kind of changed a bit, so maybe it'll be more entertaining, maybe it'll be less entertaining. I don't know, we can't predict the future. I would like to quickly clarify and say that I don't really have a set routine in the summer because, I mean, it's summer, you kind of just do whatever you want, but these are some ideas of some things that I sometimes do. Yep. First things first, I am gonna go get food because it's almost 6 o'clock and your girl is hungry and has a very inconsistent schedule of eating in the summer, and that's just not good. I don't know about any of your families, but my family kind of runs on their own schedule in the summer, so I'm responsible for most of my meals, which like is fine, except I'm incapable of making anything. I should keep my hands on the wheel. So currently en route to Panera because I love bread. I will see you guys inside. I don't know why I had to make that weird. What an amazing experience. I literally got half of a grilled cheese. Could I have made that at home? Absolutely. And as my side, I got an apple because I'm a healthy queen. I don't know. Time to drive home and feast. Yay. Bon appetit. That's such a dead meme. Sorry. Dinner was great, 10 out of 10. I mean, you can't really mess up a grilled cheese. So now we've reached that time of day where I realize it's like 7 o'clock and I haven't really done that much. So I forced myself to do something productive. Today I will be cleaning my room. Doesn't that just look so much better? I need to stop. Recently, my mom and I... Excuse me? Are you good now? Recently, my mom and I have started watching Dance Moms. I know. So I think right now we're gonna watch an episode and we're on season 2, episode 7, Bullets and Ballet.
She's crazy.
Later.
What did you think?
Abby is like meaner than all get out to her peeps. Jill is just bat crazy. Oops.
Yay!
Give it a thumbs up.
Another thing I've been trying to get into the habit of doing is an ab workout. Typically what I do is 15 minutes of 45-second on, 15-second off intervals. Since it's pretty laid back, I really just wear whatever, so hence the outfit. Also, since I'm gonna be legitimately doing the exercises, I'm not gonna have time to like change up the camera angle and stuff. I do bicycles, clams, plank. I normally do that one 3 times. Really just kind of mix it up. Yeah. What's good, everyone? I just wanted to take this moment because I didn't feel like finding a copyright-free track and just say don't judge my form, okay? Thanks. Looks like weirdly sexual. So we're done with that. Do I have abs yet? No, but we're not discouraged yet. We've got all summer, right? Now I'm just gonna do all the boring stuff that everyone does before they take a shower. So cue the unoriginal, quirky montage that we all have come to love. Yay.
20 minutes later.
Now that I'm done showering, I just put on some of the Lush Don't Look at Me face mask. I just focused it on my T-zone, is that what that's called? And also cheeks, just because I want my skin to be a little bit refreshed for the summer and forever. At this point also, since my hair's not soaking wet but it's still damp, I like to take 2 hair ties and braid either side of my hair. This little braiding and then leaving it overnight technique I've found has kind of controlled my curls and made them a little bit more uniform, if you will. My hair really just does whatever it wants. This is what it would look like if Pippi Longstockings and a Smurf had a child. Just saying.